Hello, welcome back to another episode of Breakout Trading. What a week we had, especially these last couple of days here. Looking at the S&P on the weekly chart, we could see a massive high wave candle, a high of 358.75 and a low of 334.87. Last 2 days, just huge drop. We dropped from the close on Tuesday to now 4% and a low of 6.3%. So just massive selling coming on, but it still appears to me that we are looking good to go higher, as crazy as that might sound. We're still in the trend on the weekly chart. On the daily, we had a crazy amount of selling at this, or a crazy amount of buying at the old resistance. So if we look at it on the 5-minute, it was a quick pivot and continuation for the rest of the day. So until we break and close below the low of this hammer right here, I'm a bull. I am a bull looking to go higher. So let's look at some more stocks. We have Facebook, same kind of deal. Big hammer off of old resistance. 270, bounced off of it perfectly, closing at 282. Still working above the EMA. Cameron smacked this one today with a trade. Believe it was under pre-market low, and snagged it somewhere around here for a 12R gain. Good work, Cameron. But yeah, on the daily, this looks like it could just be a retest. We could have just got some amazing buying opportunities this week with a lot of fear mixed in, or this could be the start to rolling over again. Wait for a break of this hammer or a break above it. Roku, same kind of deal, a big retest, not bouncing off of the old resistance, coming back down all the way to 150.38 before bouncing. So we look at that on the 5-minute. I crushed this one today with a trade below pre-market support. It was right here. So right on this candle I got in, sold at 153. That was my target. Bam, 5.25R. I got that target based off of all this right here. All that support. I had a feeling I had a good chance of bouncing off of it, so I wanted to make sure I covered my position. For a nice gain, let's look at some more. We got Microsoft. Same kind of deal, coming down, bouncing off nicely. So yeah, just a lot of selling with a lot of buyers still betting on the market to go higher. So this could have easily just been a retest. All these charts pretty much look about the same, except AMD were actually closing below the 20 EMA. Where was Microsoft? Microsoft below it as well. So a little more bearish sentiment on those stocks. If we look at Tesla, we are still closing above it just barely. So that could have been a nice dip and buying opportunity to go higher. If you had a limit order down here to buy into this crazy sell-off, you are a master to your plan. Okay, one more. Let's look at Disney. Disney looks like it was in a different market this week, kind of just distributing up here around the 133 area. So keep on watch a break of this, and we'll be soaring. We'll be soaring. Disney will be coming back up to previous highs in the near future, I believe, unless the market is rolling over, which I don't think we could say yet. And then we have one more with a request from the man himself again, James Stanley. This chart looks wild on the daily. I've never looked at this in my life. Go to the hourly. Okay. You could see a nice little trend in this one for sure. Go even smaller. Let's go 5 minute. Yeah, cool. So this, whatever Kensington Capital Acquisitions Corporation is, it's in a nice bullish trend right now. So I would say, buy if it touches this trend line. It's riding. It did drop below the EMAs for a little bit, but quickly caught itself, and now it's working above it again. So I would be a bull on this. If you want to play it safe, wait till it break above here or here. If we break above 25, get back in, see if this thing could continue this trend and ride higher. But yeah, that looks like a good bullish trend to me. So be a buyer in that, no doubt. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, leave us a comment if you want us to review anything. We appreciate it. See you in the next video.